to Stitch. And Stitch is perfect. I can just say, create a landing page for my pet shop in the Bay Area, and let it run. It will run and come up with some design examples, hopefully. Maybe not. There we go. And if I'm happy with one of the design examples that Stitch came up with, I can simply export it into AI Studio, and I can keep building with AI Studio. So when I give, and it opens directly in the Build tab, and I can now say, build me an app with the screenshots that look like this, and it will just build a new website for me that is based off the Stitch designs that were based on my initial idea. So that's something really cool.